Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to Samsung Galaxy mobile phone like this and watch movies and shows. Let me test this. See, using this Google TV Streamer remote, I can navigate. See, I can browse movies and shows here. See, so I will show you how we can set up this, what are the components required, and how we can connect all these components together. See, these are the components required. Samsung Galaxy mobile phone, Google TV Streamer 4K device, video capture card, USB to USB Type-C adapter, remote controller of Google TV Streamer, then this USB power cable, HDMI cable. First let me connect this video capture card to USB to USB Type-C adapter. Done. Next I am going to connect this HDMI cable to this video capture card. Okay, done. Other end of this HDMI cable I have connected to this Google TV Streamer 4K device. Next I am going to connect this video capture card to Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Okay, done. When I connected this video capture card, phone has suggested two USB camera apps. These apps we can install from Google Play Store. I already installed these two apps, that is why it's suggesting. Let me select one app. So I am going to select this first app, USB camera. Then tap on just once. Then take this remote. Just press some button. Okay. Now you can see content from this Google TV Streamer 4K device in this mobile phone. Now we can browse. See. So here tap on this settings icon. And here you can change the resolution. You can change from, by default this would be HD. If you want to change this to full HD, you can select full HD. Then let me save. See, now that resolution has been changed to full HD. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.